On one of my Instagram video, I said that I'll show you how to make the tools and the things that I made. I made the voice to text generator tool, and I'm working on video editing software. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how we can actually make the tools and the things without actually writing single line of code. We are just gonna do the vibe coding, and the platform itself is going to create the things for us. This is beyond or as a LLM. The LLM models which we use as a ChatGPT, Gemini, this is actually beyond that. This is agentic AI which create the things for us. So let's get on the screen and I'll show you how we can do this.
All right, so this is the window that you're going to look at it, explain the things, because this is the tool that I use to make other tools. When you go to a browser and when you search about Google Antigravity, you will come to here, this place, and you can just download. So basically, this is the Google Antigravity agentic development platform. If you would have used a laptop or PC, you would have actually gone to the terminal. Let me show you. So this is the terminal, right? Window PowerShell. So mostly when these tools were not there, developers were using this terminals to actually input the codes and everything. But now we have this tools. There are other platforms as well. Let me show you. There's a one platform called Codex, which is from ChatGPT, OpenAI Codex. So it's their tool, right? Then, as you can see, people other search for the cursor. There is a Claude Code, VS Code Studio. Okay, so these are all the competitors of the this anti-gravity tool. Let's make a logo design tool. I even don't know what we are going to actually be building. Like this is the live making process. I haven't planned anything before making this video. This is the live process. Enter this term, enter environment, you are gonna get very confused. So do not really go to any other. You don't actually need to. This one that on the right side you can see is the chatting type of thing which we do in the all the LLM. And this one, when you see, is like when the process is done, we can actually see the code and everything in this left hand side. But as we are non-coder, we are only doing the vibe coding, so we have to just explain the things in uh, plain English, and it will build the things for us. So I made a prompt. Okay, so I'm gonna use that prompt here. I'm gonna paste this prompt. I want to build a D2C logo design tool for a small business owners. I am a non-coder. Before you write any code, I want you to interview me, ask me 5 to 7 critical questions about the features, the design vibe, and how the logo generation should work. So we have a perfect plan. So okay, so before, like in this tool we have a two options: conversation mode, planning, and the fast mode. So if we already know what we are building, we will use the fast mode, because when we use the planning mode, it actually makes the plan, and then it actually build the, like, then it actually goes to write the code. Okay, and here we have the options to use the different models. So this Gemini, all of these three are Google Gemini model. This Claude is Claude Anthropic models, Claude Sonnet, and Claude Opus. And this one is the ChatGPT model. So we are going to use the Gemini Pro here. So let's choose this. Just send this. Okay. So it is generating. Okay. So it sounds like very exciting project. To make sure I design, yeah, 6 critical questions. So I'm gonna quickly answer this, all of this. So now this is our plan. Uh, let's say, how does it look like? Okay. So I have created the implementation plan for logo tool, and so this is the tool plan. Let's not go very much into it. Let's now choose the passport. Let's get into action. Okay. I did not really see much about the plan. I just want to see how it looks like in the real life. So the code is ready. Okay. Okay. I want to paste it, so make it, so put everything in one and one I uh, did. So it's saying that it will put everything together in one file, and when we click on that file, we can actually use that tool. Now let's, so as you can see in the left hand side, it has created all the code and everything. Wait, are we telling the system to open this? Yes. Okay, so it's a logo maker IO, and it asking for what's your brand name. So this is how it looks like. This is how it made. I like how minimalist this is, the way that we told it. So this is the D2C brand. So let's name it Navy, maybe some, yeah, slogan big guts. I don't know what industry. I would say we are uh retail and e-commerce industry. Choose your brand vibe. Our brand vibe will be bold and talk. No, just minimalist. Okay, running hybrid engine. Your logo. Okay, these are the four bespoken logo. However, to download instantly as a PNG. So this is how it made. It's not really that big. We can just download. You can download the PNG. Okay, this is okay. So this is the, and then we can go to start over. We can put any type of, yeah. So let's make a tag logo. We will name it as a uh sure we, maybe sure we. Yeah, this, it's a tech and SaaS logo, and we'll go with the bold and tech, and yeah. Oh man, just using the same things again and again, but we can actually make it way more. We can actually make it very smarter. But yeah, this is how you can do it. Like, this video is for people who were beginner with this kind of thing. I hope you I hope you liked it. Uh and please check this out. If you waited this long watching this video, I would just say just copy that, the prompt that I gave it to this tool in the starting. Use that prompt and then try to make the tool, which is this tool. Just try to make the logo design tool way more better than this that we can see here. uh this was just experimental purpose, but if you are really seeing this video, I would say for experimental purpose, or maybe as a homework, just use this Google Antigravity and make the cool stuff. This is it. See you in the next one.